Hey guys, it is tpzizzymore here, and in today's video I will be talking about the Amazon light bulb and softbox combo that was recommended to YouTubers who are just starting off. If you do enjoy this video, please hit the like button, and if you enjoy the content I make on my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button. So getting into why I think this light box combo, light bulb and softbox combo is a big thing when it comes to starting off on YouTube for just beginners, people who just have no idea on how to make quality videos. On YouTube, I think one thing that is pretty big is having good camera quality, but also balancing between microphone, just mic quality, and good camera quality. To achieve the best camera quality you can, is one key point is having good lighting. Good lighting to me makes a really good video stand out, and a bad lighting makes a really bad video really hit me hard, and I can kind of tell between which videos just looks good and looks bad. This is the video with no light, and as you guys can see, you can barely even see me, and it just doesn't work out well. So this is me with the ceiling light, so up here, and you can kind of see it looks like I'm a shadow because it's facing just on top of my head, and it might look good to you guys a tad bit better than what you would see using your own camera or phone, but because I have the auto ISO, so auto brightness kinda, so the camera's adjusting to how bright it is or how dark it is, but you can still see that it doesn't look too great with the ceiling light, and it just doesn't look well. And then this is me with the softbox, and you can definitely see a difference between the quality of the videos with different types of just lights. So this is the quality of a camera, a $400 camera, the Canon PowerShot 60HS, I'm pretty sure, and you guys can see it doesn't look too bad. The lighting isn't the best. It's alright, honestly. The lighting isn't the best. The camera quality isn't the best, but you can definitely see that the light hits it here, and it doesn't look too bad, to be honest. I'm looking at the screen there, and I'm looking at myself. I don't know how it's gonna look in the software, but it doesn't look too bad. So yeah, this is a $400 camera. So yeah, it doesn't do too bad, and with good lighting, you can definitely make any camera, not any camera, but good decent cameras look better for your YouTube videos. Yeah, as you guys can see there, it doesn't look too bad, the camera quality on that $450 camera, but it doesn't look too good either way. So it's not that bad. It has the good lighting compared to the $1,000 camera with no lighting, and the only piece of lighting really was the LED lights just up there. So as I was saying, lighting is a key point to making good YouTube videos, and you should always keep in mind the lighting and how it is when you're making YouTube videos with your phone or just maybe cameras. So using lighting to the best you can is the biggest advantage when it comes to making good quality videos on YouTube. So this softbox and light bulb combo is 50 Australian dollars, and it is about 35 USD. So it's on the expensive side in Australia, but kind of cheap side in the US because the currency and switching up. But I would still recommend this light box combo to anyone who's starting off on YouTube. If you'd like to make good videos, good quality videos, then definitely looking into just good lighting is important for me. It's literally what a $1,000 camera looks like without any good lighting. You can tell that it doesn't look too well, and the camera's trying to adjust to the brightness and darkness, or just adjust to the darkness really well, but it's not doing the best job. Getting into some downsides to this light box combo is the problem is the tripod is not the best. It is a bit sturdy, it's not on the strong side, which is unfortunate, and the problem is the softbox isn't really compatible with other tripods, so you have to get maybe the same softbox, another tripod if this tripod breaks. And yeah, the quality isn't the best when it comes to the tripod quality, but I think the softbox and light bulb for 50 bucks and 35 USD, it does a pretty decent job. If you guys did enjoy today's video, please hit the like button, and if you enjoy the content I make on this channel, please subscribe. And I will catch you in my next video. Peace.